Dear learner, in this lecture we are going to learn about ASDIP Foundation for pile cap design. Okay, so in this lecture we'll learn about 3 pile design. One by one we'll continue, but now we'll go for 3 pile cap design. So to do it, I'll click here pile cap, and if you're new here, you are requested to watch our previous lecture. So I'll click here pile cap and I'll give a name, let's say PC 3. Okay, that means 3 piles. Then click add and wait for some time. Okay, now you can see under pile cap section here our provided name, and I'll click here open. When I'll click open, our software will be opened here. Now first of all, what we'll do, I'll just go here pile cap and again here pile. So number of pile, from here we can design here maximum 20 for 20 piles. So first of all, I'll consider for 3 piles. Okay, so from here first of all, if we discuss about this figure, this is the edge distance from center of pile to edge of pile cap. Okay, and here offset z direction and offset x direction, that means the offset of this column, okay, from center of column to center of this pile, and for offset x direction, center of column to center of this pile. Okay, and also for column this is the column length and this is the column width, and here the spacing between one pile to another pile. Clear? So now we'll go for our data. First of all, we'll design 3 pile. So I'll go here in graph. You can see here 3 pile is available. Then pile its distance. So what will be the pile its distance? As per code, we have some limitation. So for now, we are going to use the minimum its distance will be the actual value of pile dia. Okay, the pile dia and its distance, that will be same. That will be minimum. Actually maximum can be more, but it will be minimum. So I'll consider our pile will be 20 mm, 20 inch pile. We'll consider 20 inch pile. So as we are going to use 20 inch pile, that means we are going to provide here 20 inch, that means 1 feet and 8 inch. So what is the meaning of 1 feet and 8 inch? 20 divided by 12, 1.667. So I'll provide here 1.667. okay, before that, if you need to modify your unit, as we are using same unit as default, so no need to change anything. But for your case, if you want to change unit, then first go for unit, then go for also design criteria here for code. Okay, so as default code we are going to consider. Then combination, actually for combination, okay, this is predefined for ASC 705, so we are going to use as per ASC 705. okay, for your case, you are allowed to change your data as per your requirement. Now what we'll do here, 1 to 5, sorry, this will be 1.667. its distance from center to center of pile to distance of its. Okay, and here pile spacing, what will be the pile spacing? So let's say our pile spacing will be 2.5 times or 3 times of our pile dia. Okay, so first of all, come here and pile cap thickness. Let's say our pile cap thickness will be 24 inch. First time 24 inch, no problem. And soil cover, water table depths, no need to do anything with it. And then I'll come here for piles. Okay, so which types of pile you are going to use? I'm going to use round pile, and pile size, I'll consider pile size as a 20 inch. 20 inch file size. Our file size will be 20 inch here, and also spacing between one file to another file, that will be, let's say, 2.5 into 20, that means 50 divided by 12, 4.1667. 1667. Actually, this is the minimum spacing as per code. Okay, so for your case, you have to identify your required data actually. Done. And here the file spacing, file its distance, and the file top embedded. Okay, so what will be the value of file embedded distance? We'll consider 6 inch. 3 inch will be for clear cover, and 3 inch will be for embedment. Okay, so here 6 inch. Right, now all data is okay here. I'll go here for file cap. So for file cap, already we have provided 24 inch initial data. Soil covered, if soil are available over file cap, you can put it here. So I will consider no value is available. Okay, and water table depth, it will be 5 feet, or let's consider no water table near to our file cap, so I'll consider here 8 or something. For your case, as per your lab reboot, you have to do it actually. Column, so for column, here the column length in X and column length in Z direction. Okay, so let's say our column will be 20 inch into 20 inch. Okay, 20 inch into 20 inch. This will be our column. And offset, so if our column has any offset, we can put it here, but we'll consider that our column will be center of our file cap. Right, now column is short pedestal, so if you consider that column are short pedestals, you may consider it, otherwise you may ignore it, no problem. Okay, so no problem, now it's okay. And here I'll go at a glance. I'll come here. First of all, I'll provide load. Let's say for your case, you can provide different load for dead load, live load separately, but as I'm using this option, at axial P, then moment X, moment Z, and share. Okay. So I'm consider our value will be 200 keep, and here factor, the factor load, let's say, will be 300 keep. That's it. And materials, so here are compressive, allowable compressive for pile. What are the allowable compressive strength of pile? So let's say our value will be pile capacity, let's say it will be 120 keep. Okay, 60 ton or 120 keep as a compression load. Then tension, if you want to provide tension, you can put it here, you may put it here. And for lateral also, you may put it here. Okay. Capacity, tension capacity, and the lateral capacity, you may put it here. So for our case, will not. Okay, let it go. Then go for pile cap. For pile cap strength, concrete strength, here everything is given already. We have discussed about it many times, so you will change it as per your requirement. And for column also, now we can see our ratio at D from column face is not okay. The ratio at column face, that is also not okay. So for our case, our maybe they have some issue with our pile cap thickness. So if I increase pile cap 30 inch, so it's okay now. So I'll provide 25 inch and 28 inch. 28 is also not okay. Then 29 inch. Okay, so when you're providing 29 inch, it's also okay. So it's better to provide 30 inch total file cap thickness. 30 inch. So when we're providing 30 inch file cap thickness and its design is okay, and our punching share check, everything is okay, we're seeing it, just go here for reinforcement. For reinforcement, I'll just first of all I'll go for our bottom reinforcement, and I'll consider our bottom reinforcement is 16 mm. So when we are using 16 mm and concrete cover, that will be, let's say, 3 inch, and our 12 bar size 16 mm bottom bar, I'll just provide here, let's say 10. I'll provide here 16, sorry, I'll provide here 12. This is not okay. Then I'll provide here 13 or 14, 15. Okay, so we have to provide 16 bar if we want to provide 16 mm bar, but for our case we'll provide 20 mm bar. I'll reduce it, sorry, 10. So for 10, if we provide 20 mm dia bar and the bar is 10, then it's okay. Okay, so if we go here graph for construction, we can see here the bottom bar, okay, bottom bar here are showing 3-way bar, okay, and the bar is 3-way and 20 mm 10 bar are provided. Also you can see here our reinforcement are required for 2.5 inch center to center, 2.8 inch center to center. Okay, so every bar will be provided with 2.8 inch center to center. And if you provide top reinforcement, if you provide top reinforcement for X as a X bar and X as a Z bar, then we can provide here, let's say 16 for top reinforcement. If I come here 16 mm 8 bar, this also okay, 16 mm 8 bar, this also okay. And when we're providing top bar, then we are able to ensure we are able to reduce the bottom bar. So here if we provide 8 bar in bottom, this also okay. If we provide 7 bar, this also okay. 6 bar, this also okay. 5 bar, this also okay. Okay, so till 5 bar it is allowed it if we provide top reinforcement, or for our case, let's say if I reduce it, let's for 7 bar. So we are providing, when we are providing 7 bar, you can see the value are not okay. So I'll provide here 8 bar 16 mm, 8 bar 16 mm, and in bottom I'll provide 6 bar in everywhere. That means we are allowed to use the reinforcement in 3-way reinforcement at the rate of 5.1 inch or 5 inch center to center. That's it. Okay, and if we go for 5 bar, this is also okay, and this distance is 6.4. so it is better if we ignore the number of bar. If we go with this value, like this 3-way reinforcement, 16 mm, 20 mm dia bar at the rate of 6 inch center to center, that will be also okay in this arrangement. So here if we use reinforcement for top, will provide total number 8 bar, in both direction, in top and bottom. Will provide the 20 mm reinforcement in 3-way with 6 inch center to center. Clear? So this is the way to design a file cap. Thank you very much. Stay connected till next lecture.